How to disable or hide notification messages while playing PUBG mobile game without installing any app. So if you want to disable or hide notification messages while playing PUBG mobile game without installing any app, then first you need to just open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down and you need to go with the notification section. Under notifications, you can go with app notifications, and here you will have all of the applications that are on your device. And now you can select your PUBG or any other applications that you would like to turn off or hide the notification messages. But if you want to turn all of the notifications off, then you can go back, and here you need to go with do not disturb and turn on your do not disturb. After turning on your do not disturb, you won't receive any calls, messages, or any notifications while playing. So that's it. That's how you can disable or turn off your notifications. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.